Hi, this is just a quick video to say thank you to 30,000 subscribers. My YouTube channel here is all about Blender and it just has reached 30,000 subscribers, which is amazing. You guys are awesome. I never thought that my Blender channel and the stuff that I do with Blender is that interesting to so many people. A special thanks, of course, has to go out to my patrons over at patreon.com. If you haven't checked that out yet, you can download all of the blend files of the tutorials, or almost all of the tutorials, for just $2 a month. And for just $5 a month, you can get, of course, all of the blend files of the tutorials, plus my 3 material packs, which are also available individually at blendermarket.com. Please do follow me on Twitter. I like to share stuff, Blender related stuff, and retweet things that I come across over on Twitter. So this is where you can find me and we can chat there. I hope I see you soon in another tutorial. Blender, animation nodes, materials, who knows. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. And my next goal, of course, is the silver YouTube button with 100,000 subscribers. I will be very curious to see if I can reach 100,000 subscribers. Again, thanks. See ya. Chris P. out.